Peace, peace, greetings, love and light to you all, family. Welcome to another YouTube video with me, your host. This is the first video of 2024. I am sending you love, I am sending you greetings. It's only right that I say something, because this is a very powerful year, and it would be very wrong of me not to say something, seeing that this is going to be a year of ritual. This is a year of magic. This is a year of cycles folding and coming back into each other. And the reason why I'm saying that this is the year of cycles, the year of ritual, the year of magic, is because when you look at now 2024, when you're dealing with 2024, the first thing that you need to understand is that you are dealing with infinity. You are dealing with the number 8. Because you're dealing with 2 and 2, which makes 4, and then you're dealing with another 4, which now makes 8. That's numerology now. Now, when you're getting into numerology on a numerical scale, this year, on a collective vibration, the collective consciousness of humanity is going to be expressed by the number 8. And when you look at the number 8, it's the 8th letter of the alphabet, right? Wait, am I not the number 8? The letter H. That's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So with H, you are dealing with basically it's the poles. You see, if you were to watch a rugby game, what looks like poles? That's what it is. We're dealing with the number 8. The number or the sigil for the 8 is also, oh no, I'm wearing the Om today. It's also the infinity sign. So now, it being the infinity sign means that on a collective levels, the things that you've been praying about since you were in high school, since you were in primary, some of these things are gonna cycle back. So this year will somewhat be something of or it will hold a vibration of a Saturnian return or a Saturn return, but for the collective, because the number 8 represents infinity if you were to flip it sideways. So that means that things come back and fold back into themselves. It's acceleration. It's acceleration. Things are going to be quickened this year, because when you look at it again, 2024, when you split it in half, now you're dealing with 8, because the 8 is 2024, right? When we add everything up, it gives us 8. And when we split it down in the middle, it gives us 4. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So 4 is the number of manifestation, because when you are dealing with 4, you are dealing with the block. You are dealing with a masculine shape. Remember, all the elements are represented externally as male or female. Circle and the oval are feminine shapes. The triangle and the square are masculine shapes. 4 deals with foundation, because it is the base of where the 4 elements, or everything in the material universe, materializes itself at the number 4. So you're dealing with fire, you're dealing with air, you're dealing with water, and you are dealing with air. These are the 4 elements that make up your physical body. If you align these 4 elements, you become what is known as the Avatar. The Avatar, the last airbender. Whenever you watch that, Shandis, it's not that it's not a show for kids. No, these are high metaphysical occult knowledge that they put in anime like Yu-Gi-Oh! Or they put in series that you watch on Netflix. Sometimes you don't even be knowing that you are watching the knowledge that your ancient ancestors left behind for you, because they knew that a great time of sleep and slumber was coming to the planet, where people would forget who they are. So they needed to leave these things in hieroglyphics and writings, in stone, in stories, in parables, in mythology. You see, and so now you have now become what is the representative, or you are the representation of that ancient intelligence now manifested in the physical world. We are dealing with 2024. This is how many years after? This is 2022, in 2012, when they said that the world was going to end, remember I said that 2012 wasn't the ending of the physical world. When the Mayans were speaking about the world was coming to an end, they were talking about a prophetic time in the precessions of the equinox, or in the cycles of time as the earth moves through all the zodiac signs, or all the constellations in its journey of 24,000 years, which is what they call the Great Year. So the ancient Africans, the ancient Mayans, or like all the native people around the world, they had these prophecies that a time would be coming where humanity would be coming out of the ages of darkness, where they were focused on themselves and hatred and lust and greed and power, wars, all these things. They knew that they were coming, and so they wrote history before it happened, and they left it behind for you so that in a future time you would awaken. And that time is now. That's why right now we can talk about such information. That's why now you can find a random guy like Mathix on YouTube telling you about what a year signifies for you. You could not find this type of information a few hundred years ago. You would have been killed for this, because it was something that was seen as blasphemous, because remember that the church was attacking the world because they wanted to dominate through ruling through one religion, you see. So, but the prophecy has been fulfilled, and it is still being fulfilled. The more we move as the years go, the lighter and the more light actually comes into the planet. The more people awaken, the more people become curious of who they are. This simultaneous growth of artificial intelligence is a direct reflection of what is happening to the cosmos. Because remember that as we move closer to the photon belt and we move into the deeper into the age of Aquarius, the age of Aquarius represents knowledge and technology. So your body technologically is rising in consciousness. Now we're talking about astral projection, we're talking about remote viewing, we're talking about out-of-body experiences, we're talking about psychic healing, we're talking about telepathy, we're talking about past life regression, we're talking about the abilities to access the Akashic records. We're talking about instantaneous healing. These things are coming back into the world. It's not a coincidence that technology is rising so rapidly. It's because human intelligence is rising also so rapidly. But what's different this time is that the emotions of the people were mostly focused on the IQ, but we weren't dealing with EQ, which is emotional, the emotion testing the level. You know how they say intelligence quotients? There's an emotional one. So people are intellectual and smart, but emotionally they are not developed, because technology has been developing faster than the human spirit could keep up. But that's changing because of where we are moving in time. And so 2024, family, is gonna be the year. I want you to do this for me now. I'm gonna do this also when I get home. Take a piece of paper, write on a blank piece of paper, write 2024, add those numbers up. Do it for yourself. Add the numbers up, see them. You'll see 8, and then read up on the number 8. Learn about the number 8, what it means. Adopt that into you. What it's symbolic for, because I don't want you to just believe things because I'm saying them. You see, I'm relaxed out here. I'm out here chilling with my fam. I'm out here with my brother. We're chilling with his bro. We're out here, you know, people are playing basketball. It's a new year. It's beautiful, but on a deeper metaphysical level, amazing things are happening right now, family. And so 2024 is the year of magic and ritual. It's ritual. It's a ritual year. Everything is folding back into itself. Everything is coming back. It's infinity. A lot of you are going to find love this year. Now I'm not telling you or prophesying on you and now you want to call me and consult. But I'm telling you that a lot of you are going to find love because the energies are opened up for that. It's infinity. It's for a lot of you are going to manifest love. A lot of you are going to manifest. And love, remember what I'm saying, love, it's not just, you're going to manifest the type of job that you love. We're not just talking about spouses, people here. You need to think beyond. And we're not just talking about money here. We're also talking about spouses. You need to think beyond. Wherever you think your mind is, tell yourself there's more, because there's always more. And this is the year of more because it's infinity. And with infinity, it means that you can take from heaven the part of the 8th sign that represents heaven, and you can also take from earth the part of the infinity sign that represents earth, and you can merge them at the center, at the point, and you can stand on both sides and be the shaman. So 2024 is also the year of the shaman, because this is where you're going to learn how to master, how to walk both in the spirit world and in the physical world simultaneously. This is where you're going to learn how to do this stuff simultaneously. You're going to learn about air, you're going to learn about the earth, you're going to learn about fire, and you're going to learn about water, family. This is that year. This is transformation, the year of magic. I would love for us to partake in a lot of, but it's, you know what, let's keep this short, because you guys, it's a new year. We don't want to do too long things. It's just a greeting, it's just a thanking for supporting and following me, and commenting and talking and engaging, because as I grow, you grow, and as you grow, I grow. Peace, love, and light to you all, family. Happy 2024, and I hope that you really, really enjoy this year. Be blessed, be blessed, be blessed. Much love, family.